I want my grandmother to use mobile for some delivery of some food or beverage. Hi, I'm Dongjin Hyun, head of Hyundai Motor Group Robotics LAB. I'm responsible for leading Robotics LAB's vision and the team, achieving this with our robotics solutions. Robotics LAB is a dedicated research hub that promotes business for robotics and future mobility. It was established under the philosophy of the progress for humanity with the goal of creating robotics technology that enrich our everyday lives. We focus on developing innovative robotic solutions like our latest product, MOBAD. MOBAD stands for Mobile Eccentric Droid. It is an advanced robotics platform developed by Hyundai Motor Group Robotics LAB. MOBAD is a novel mobility platform under the concept of what we call go anywhere, do anything for everyone. The first time I saw the concept of MOBAD, I thought that this one can be utilized for our base platform for executing the autonomous driving algorithms. I always say democratize the autonomous driving. So I want everybody to utilize autonomous driving algorithm for their daily use cases. The MOBAD can drive uneven terrain and outdoors and indoors. So if we can give or provide the perfect autonomous driving algorithm for MOBAD, they can utilize MOBAD for their daily life. So that's truly the first goal of the MOBAD concept. Our team paid a lot of effort to implement this dream, but we just keep trying very hard. But someday I think we can make our dream come true. As a robotics engineers, we have two missions. The first mission is mobility, and second mission is manipulation. And MOBAD is just first mission of ours. So if we solve the mobility problem together with autonomous driving algorithm, some mobility platform for multi-purpose, and then we can just transfer to the second mission, manipulation. I want my grandmother to use MOBAD for some delivery of some food or whatever. Older generation can utilize some autonomous driving based on the MOBAD concept model. And right now, the mass production model. We gave a lot of thought about how to reduce the cost. This is a very sensitive problem, but how to utilize the ecosystem of automotive engineering and how to just drive autonomous engineering ecosystem for robotics ecosystem. That is another problem while working for the MOBAD. And then we just try our best to give affordable price ranges. I can say we just keep trying to provide the value at the affordable prices utilizing automotive engineering ecosystems. It features 4 independently controlled inhuman motors and a unique eccentric mechanism and remain stable on uneven surfaces. Autonomous driving robotics technology ensures fast, efficient obstacle detection and avoidance, even in crowded environments. We integrated advanced sensor modalities such as LiDAR, RGB cameras, and radar, so MOBAD can intelligently perceive its surroundings, allowing for fully autonomous movement. Combined with AI-powered obstacle detection, this allows for safe operation and fast delivery times in busy environments. We developed our own system to ensure all sensors communicate with each other efficiently And we achieve this without impacting the unit's sleek design. Behind the robot, there is a really big world, including mathematics and AI and engineering and computer science and mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, also UX, UI. All the engineering and multidisciplinary projects should be combined to generate some useful robotic solutions. Everything is just intertwined together. We cannot decouple all the area from the mobile. We just came together and we solved it together and give it some trial and review the error, and then it's kind of AI training processing. Artificial intelligence and human intelligence just combine, and then trial error process should be best way to solve the problem, I believe. So I just followed what I believe just for the mobile, and then I can say we just keep trying our best to provide robotic solution continuously. MOBAT won the Best of Innovation Award in the robotics category at CES 2026. The CES Innovation Award evaluates engineering, innovation, and design, and this award recognizes MOBAT's combination of cutting-edge robotics technology, user-friendly design and interface, and further practical scalability. MOBAT really enables business and customers to adapt the robot to their use cases. We first unveiled the production-ready MOBAT model at the International Robot Expo in 2025, and now mass production will begin in the first quarter of 2026. If I have to say the one word, unique. MOBAT is unique robotic platform in the world. We've never seen that kind of mechanism so far. So only one unique mechanism, drive and lift mechanism, we call it. And second is based on the unique mechanism, we just provide some solution together with AI and software. So unique and unique and unique. Go anywhere with your mobile. We aim to make the robotics a natural part of our daily lives and build what we call a robot intelligence society, where robots assist humans. MOBAT is a great example of how we combine creativity and engineering to shape and differentiate the future of the mobility and robotics. Thank you. All done? Oh, thank you.